Hello guys, welcome back to my Python YouTube channel. And in this Python tutorial, we will be learning about how to read data from any URL, website, or any link. So the advantage will be that you don't need to download that CSV file any kind of file to your laptop, and you can directly access the data from their link or the website. So let's see how to do it. So we have this data, so let's open it. Okay, so we have this data from the website. Now our objective is to read this data. So for that, import some libraries. Import uh, NumPy as np. Now read data file. So for that, we will use command np.gen from text. So say data. You can give it a name, data, or say file. Data equal to np.gen from text, and give the link of URL here. We'll just copy it or paste it, or you can do it another way. So see, this is like our CSV file. So it will better you can define here URL equal to string, and you can give that should be your file name. So file name equal to URL. Okay, now your data is in CSV file. So CSV stands for comma separated value. So you need to put delimiter equal to comma values. Then it will read the file, else it will show some error. So now run it. Oh, what is wrong? Not found. Yeah. So there was some mistakes here, and there was a space. So we have to take care of a space. Now you can see what argument it takes data. So see here, you can see that we have like 5 columns, and this is our data. So this is a way to read the data. We have some not number values, so like which may be a strings. So like you can skip if you want to remove these non values using. So basically these will be headers. So you can skip underscore header equal to true. See, now we have removed your header values. So this way you can read your data using any link or from any website link. And now you can also extract data. So So for reading column 1, so say column 1 equal to say data, and write in this format. Now print column 1. So basically this has produced column 1, and same you can read column 2 in same style, data, right one. You have to put n-1 column number. So basically in Python, the, like indexing start from 0. So 0 is basically 1. So we have to go for n-1. Now we can read also columns. Read rows. Read rows. So row 1. Row 1 equal to data. Put 0. Maybe need to do that way. Sorry. Yeah. So in this way, like you have got row 1, and similarly you can go row 2 also. Data 1 semicolon. Yeah. So row 2. So here you have got row 2. You can also match the data. Yeah, see. The row 2 stands for here 4.93, 1.4, and this number. Similarly, you can read your columns, rows, or like you can also read any data between the rows and columns. So I hope this has helped you to get idea about how to read uh, data in Python using any link or website. So thank you.